Hi, I'm Louis. Welcome to another Eclipse video. Today we're going to be unboxing our diagnostic packages. So first up, we have the Jaltest box. This is the same box our customers will receive whether or not you bought the commercial vehicle, the agricultural, the off-highway, material handling equipment, or marine packages from Eclipse. So let's get into what's inside. So first up, you have obviously the most important part of the equipment, which is your Jaltest VCI link. This is obviously the link that's going to communicate with your vehicle, and obviously it's via USB or Bluetooth, up to 80 meters Bluetooth with our PC Test Pad Extreme from Eclipse. Military grade, really tough, rugged piece of equipment. You can do all sorts of this, and it will withstand the day-to-day duties. And you get a variety of different adapters with the Jaltest link, including your OBD, which is obviously used on the majority of different cars, commercial vehicles, and even some machines nowadays. And then all of our manufacturer cables are OBD adaptable as well. So, whether or not you need the trailer cable here, look, just this one here, so to do your likes of your Haldex, Wabco and Norbrem's ABS, EBS trailers, straight into there, nice and easy to use. Moving on, we have the cable saver. So this is something that customers can purchase additionally from Eclipse. A really nice piece of equipment to keep your OBD adapter well maintained and prolong its life. Steel pins, which don't flex as much as the standard OBD, in which case will obviously keep your socket, your cable nice and well looked after, and just put it on the end of there. And a lot of customers like it just as I say, keep this cable well maintained. Moving on, we have several different power adapters here. So I'll just grab these out and talk about the pin out kit. So the multi-pin kit that we have in Jaltest is really comprehensive. Probably about 85% of machines, vessels, and vehicles. If you don't have the correct manufacturer cable from us, or if the socket's damaged, or it's in an awkward location, or whatever the reason, with our multi-pins kit, you'll be able to pin out into the vehicle or the machine. As I said, about 85 or 90% of machines and vehicles and vessels, you'll be able to use this this cable on, and it gives you instructions on which pins you need to go into. Then we also have the battery cables for the pin out kit, just in case we aren't taking power from the vehicle or the machine or the vessel. Using this socket here, we can plug our battery cables in and power the VCI up separately, 12 or 24 volts, which is really handy if you aren't getting power, or the correct amount of power, down to your diagnostic socket on the vehicle or machine or vessel. You can use the battery cables or the cigarette lighter. Moving on to the other side of the kit now, we have a variety of different adapters for our multi-pin kit. So another thing that I probably haven't mentioned yet, but all of our cables are numbered, and Jaltest is really good on the software at giving you instructions of where to plug into the vehicle, the machine, or the vessel, but also which cable you need. And not everybody knows what these look like. So, if Jaltest tells you to get the Volvo cable out and you're not sure which one that is, all of our cables are numbered at the head of the cable. So we have a variety of different multi-pins here. These are all numbered from JTP 1s right up to, JTP 9 or 10. And then all your different manufacturer cables here. So we've got the likes of the MAN, the Haldex, the Wabco, the Norbrem's trailers, the Renault cable, the Volvo cable, Mercedes, the DAF, Scania, etc. And then we also have the Iveco Daily cable here, so you'll be able to plug into that. That's typically a commercial vehicle package that I have here, but Obviously, any difference if you ordered a machinery package from us or an off-highway package or an agricultural package, we would just tailor these cables here to your requirements. So you can just give a fleet list to your sales rep or to the Eclipse office, and we will build a kit around your fleet, or if you're a repairer, your sort of day-to-day manufacturers that you work on. So that's the Jaltest box and what's included. I'll just close that up here and put that down. And then next up we have the Eclipse box for your TestPad Extreme Pro. So another tough box to look after your equipment. Obviously we'll have various different cards in your PC box for our contact details, the technical support, vehicle and IT. So you can get in touch with us nice and easily. And then our TestPad Extreme Pro, really highly regarded with our customers, up to 10 hours battery life, military grade. It's got a toughened screen on the front, camera in the front and a camera in the back. So if you are on the phone to our vehicle or IT support and you're stuck with something, those guys can activate the camera and be able to see what you can see. So it's just like having another technician there to help with your issues. And then we also have down at the bottom the Eclipse vehicle and IT support number, our Eclipse headquarters number. A strap so you can put your arm through and hold the test pad, or you have the stand, so if you wanted to place it down somewhere like so, you can do, and a handle at the top. All Eclipse TestPad Extreme Pros all come with electronic styluses as well, which helps, especially if you've got you're in a dirty environment, or you got sort of oil on your hands or whatever. All of our styluses are electronic, which really aids with navigating around the screen. Obviously comes in a military grade case as well. And then we have, as I said, 80 meters Bluetooth from the test pad over to the Jaltest VCI link. And that is just about it. You obviously get the charger over on the right-hand side here, which is magnetic, goes into the right-hand side on your Eclipse test pad, and you have the USB socket here as well, just in case you need to plug your VCI link or whatever bit of equipment into the side of your test pad. And then the charger is magnetic, so it's designed in the sense that if it is plugged into the wall or into a cigarette lighter or whatever, and you get your foot caught or you trip over that cable, the cable is just going to come right out of the side of the test pad, which I'll demonstrate. So, the test pad isn't going to go flying with you if you do trip over the test pad. It's just going to come straight out, being magnetic instead of a plug-in one, which again just keeps the test pad nice and safe in a rugged environment. Any more information on the equipment, of course, vehicle and IT are available to talk between 8:30 and 5:30, Monday to Friday. And any questions, just reach out to Eclipse.